this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect or integrate ChatGPT to your Excel. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you want to use AI for your formulas in Excel, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is to go ahead and integrate. To do this, just head over to Home here and click on it, and then on the other end you should see add-ins. Go ahead and click on it, and here you'll see we have quite a number of them that you can add. Now what we want to look for is AI aided formula editor, so just type formula editor like that and choose the first one, AI aided formula editor. You can see we have others. Some of these are free and the list is just long, while some are paid. So we shall add the first one, and here I'll click on add, and now you can see it will be added here. So if you go ahead and click on it, so here you are required to sign in. You are told here you need to sign in to use AI powered feature of the tool. Go ahead and click on this, then register here. You can either do this by just using your Google account or Microsoft account, and if you don't have an account, just go ahead and register here. Once you're done with your registration, now you should be able to generate your formulas here and get responses from this tool. So that's how you can connect AI assistants on your Microsoft Excel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.